Well, what up? It's your favorite boy, JT Tech Nerd, coming in with another video tutorial, and this is about a new cooler I got. First, we're going to do the unboxing itself of the product, so let's go. Well, you just saw the unboxing of the product, what you get, the hardware. Now it comes to an overview, I would say. It's called the Corsair iCUE Link Titan 360 IX LCD. And it's a very long name, I know, but it is what it is. And it's a high-end liquid cooler CPU, a high-end liquid CPU cooler that is made for people who want like great performance, clean build, and a touch of style, or personal style, I would say. It comes with a large 360 radiator. I would say it's not large, but it's not small. You know, you can get a 420 and that's not this, but I know some brands make a 420 radiator and that is large. This is not small, but it's also not large. It's a good size when it comes to it. And yeah, you can also get a 240mm rad when it comes to it, and you can get it in white and in black. But also there sits 3 fans that's pre-installed, and that is a AF RGB fans that move air efficiently while staying quiet even when your CPU is under heavy load. And this makes it for a perfect high-end chip like the Intel i9 or Ryzen 9 series, and I'm actually running a Ryzen 9 7900 something on my build itself. And I gotta say, versus the older one I have versus the one I have now, the cooling potential, it's a lot more quiet, it's a lot more cool when it comes to CPU, and you can hear the pump. Of course you can hear the fans, but the pump you can't. It's a very good cooler overall. You just gotta pay a premium for it, but it makes it good for high-end CPUs, low-end CPUs, or whatever you choose. It's just very good to doing its job, I would say. Also, one of the best part of it, it's part of the iCUE Link system. Instead of like a bunch of messy cables, all the fans are connected through a simple daisy chain or a chain. So just one cable runs to your motherboard or runs to the controller you got in the package itself, and keeps everything neat and easy to management when it comes to the cable and just aesthetics wise. And overall, the iCUE Link Titan 360 IX LCD offers excellent cooling, quiet performance, and super clean look. It's a great choice for anyone who wants a powerful modern cooler that is easy to install, looks amazing, and also gives a little bit touch aesthetics wise. So you just gotta pay a little bit of a premium price to, of course, the cooler, because it does have a premium price tag, I would say. So overall, pretty nice, pretty awesome. And of course, if you did like this video, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then I will see you all on the next video. Peace. I'm signing out. Bye bye.